Hello boys and girls, nice to see you again. Well, today I'm going to read a story about carrots. I hope you like carrots. And here's the book. It's called Carrot Soup. And the pictures and the story are by John Segal. Here on the front you can see the rabbit with a wheelbarrow and some tools, but there are other animals as well. There's a dog. Let's find out what happens inside. Carrot soup. Carrot soup. John Segal. It was spring, Rabbit's favourite season. It was time to plan the garden, order the carrot seeds, and look forward to enjoying his favourite food, carrot soup. There are lots of different kinds of carrots. There's an early horn, short and sweet, Lune white, Bolero, Thumbelina, Sugarsnax, Paris Market, and Autumn King. Well, they're all interesting. Some are long, some are short, some are fat. Rabbit ploughed. Can you see he's cutting the ground? Then he planted. He's scattering the seeds. Rabbit watered and weeded. He waited and waited and waited. Sometimes plants take quite a while to grow. Until finally it was time to pick the carrots. Rabbit gathered his tools and his wheelbarrow, and off he went. But something was terribly wrong at the carrot patch. Rabbit looked up. Rabbit looked down. He looked over and under, and inside and out. Roots and rocks. Rabbit saw roots and rocks and dirt and mud, but what Rabbit did not see were carrots. There were no carrots. They were gone. He's upset. You can see there are lots of holes in the ground. Rabbit went to see Mole. Here's Mole. Mole, have you seen my carrots? Rabbit asked. Someone has stolen my carrots. Look, aren't those carrots that the dog has? Mole replied, Rabbit, you know I don't see very well. Why don't you ask Dog? Dog, someone has taken all of my carrots, said Rabbit. Have you seen them? I don't care much for carrots, said Dog. Why don't you ask Cat? But look, isn't that Cat? And Cat seems to have some carrots. Cat, I was hoping to have carrot soup tonight, but my carrots have disappeared, said Rabbit. Have you seen them? Carrots? asked Cat. Why would I be interested in your carrots? Perhaps Duck knows something about carrots. Look, that looks like Duck as well. But look, here are balloons. I wonder if there's a party. Rabbit asked Duck, have you seen my carrots? I prefer fish to carrots, said Duck. Pig will eat anything, though. Maybe he has seen your carrots. But look, here's Pig driving a tractor with a trailer full of carrots. But Pig was nowhere to be found. No carrot soup tonight, thought Rabbit sadly. Discouraged and disappointed, Rabbit went home. But look, I think there might be a party in the treehouse. look what's going on here. It looks like carrot soup for everyone and balloons. Surprise! Rabbit's friends all shouted. And there was lots of carrot soup for everyone. And here you can see Rabbit's favourite carrot soup. Here is the recipe, and it tells you how to make the carrot soup. Perhaps you could try that at home. Here's the back cover where we saw the pig driving the tractor. Here's the back and front cover, and there's the front. Carrot soup, a delicious story, don't you think? We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.